What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. Quick update for Gala. Not too much movement, but it does look like we're going through that ending diagonal, seeing at 0.021 down 0.24 on the day. Seeing market cap 469 million, 24-hour volume 46 million. Let's hop into the chart. So, as you can see, we've pushed up in what looks like to me in a wave 2. It does look like we're going through the ending diagonal with this three-wave move. Could be an ABC. Now, if we do come up and break the invalidation of the wave 1, this can be moved a little bit higher, 0.0229. Then we can still be going through this red wave 4 correction because it can go all the way up to the 50% level. However, if we break down from here, then we'll look for an ABC into a 3, 4, 5. Fill this wick, break slightly below this wick, and see continuation to the upside. That's what I think is likely. If we can break the 50% retracement and validate a wave 4, then we could see the impulse. We could look at a wave 1, and this is a shallow wave 2, and then push up in a 3, 4, 5. I don't think that's a more probable scenario. But that's what I'd look at if the 50% level is broken. But until then, I'm looking at this ending diagonal. Wave 5, come down, fill this wick, break this low. All right, gang, just a quick update. There's not too much to look at. Not too much has changed. But this is the outlook that we're looking for, a very deep wave 2 and then pushing up into wave 3. So what the hell was that? Sometimes when I stay in Airbnbs, obviously, by myself. And I'll hear little noises, and I'm like, intruder! I have to get the kung fu ready. I don't think it was anything. Woo! All right, so we're currently in 4 trades. You can get a 30-day free trial. If you sign up to Bitkit or Bybit, grab those bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit. Email me your sign-up email. Takes 2 minutes. You get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, huddle, all plays, Forex signals and analysis. Otherwise, it's $10 a month if you want direct access. Sign up through the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new, if you'd like to. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.